So I thought we'd finish out the week with suit preference. I think I did speak about it just a little bit earlier, but I think we could have another look at it now that we've had attitude and count kind of in detail. And then what I'm going to do Monday is I'll post a couple of hands early, and then we'll walk through them and see how both count, attitude, and suit preference all kind of work together to help you defeat those opponents' contracts. And remember, it's also important about your opening leads, what you pick for your opening lead. So here's your hand that illustrates a use of suit preference in a wonderful way. Now, some people use it in other situations as well. I want you to learn this one, and then you can talk about the other ways you might use it in the future. Okay? All right, so here we go. The opponents are in 4 spades. So West is on lead, and they would lead the ace of hearts, right? And Declare would probably play a low card from dummy. And East is going to play the 8. Now, East is playing the 8 because it's the only one they have. Fortunately, it looks big. Yay! So if I'm West, I'm thinking, well, partner doesn't have the Queen of Hearts. I'm looking at it. It's in dummy. So partner must have heart shortness. So I'm going to play the king, and sure enough, partner discards probably something like the 2 of clubs, saying he doesn't particularly care about clubs. Also, you might pick that because he has a lot of them. So that's kind of an easy thing to throw away. And now West is going to play a heart for East to trump. But what he'd really, really like to happen is after East trumps, he'd really like East to play a club to his ace so that he can lead another heart, the 4th heart, and let partner trump again. 2 trump tricks. Wouldn't that be sweet? But you know what? The king 8-7 of diamonds is in dummy, and the king 6-4. So how does partner know whether to lead a club or a diamond? It's exactly the same. His holding in clubs and diamonds is almost exactly the same. He doesn't know which suit to play, except we're going to tell him. Since we have the ace of clubs, when we lead a card for partner to trump, we're going to lead the lowest heart we have left. We're going to lead the 2. And by leading the lowest heart, it says, after you trump this, I would like you return the lowest ranking suit left. Not trumps, not hearts, but of diamonds and clubs, the lower ranking suit. So which is lower? Clubs. So that tells partner to play a club. Partner will return probably the jack of clubs because they have a sequence there. Regardless of what North plays, we will win, or excuse me, regardless of what South plays, we will win our ace of clubs. They play the queen, so it's pretty easy to win our ace of clubs. And now we play our 4th heart and allow partner to trump again. When partner trumps again, we now have taken the ace and king of hearts, 2 trumps by East when they trump the 2 hearts, and the ace of clubs, down 2. And y'all have probably figured out by now, if you've been playing online at all, how important it is whether you beat them, set them 1 or set them 2. Now, if West had had the ace of diamonds, he would have still played the ace of hearts and then the king of hearts. And then the 3rd time he would have played, which card? Right, the 6, the highest card he had left. And that would tell partner, after you trump this 6 of hearts, please play a diamond. Now, sometimes your partner's not going to have anything but 1 card to play. Can't do anything about that. Sometimes you're going to have like the ace, the king, the 4, and the 3, and that's going to be really hard for partner to figure out. Can't do anything about that. On both your sides, your side and your partner's side, you're going to give the best signal you can give, and you're going to hope that partner can work it out, and we're not always going to get it right, and we're not always going to have a choice. But we can always work at it. We can always think about it. So that's the goal. We want you to be thinking about what you're telling partner, when you had an opportunity to tell partner, and what you told them. The good news is, the more you do it, the easier it gets. Okay? The easier it gets to see, to do the calculations, and to remember to give those signals. I hope y'all have a great weekend, and I will see you on Monday for just a quick wrap-up and review of your signaling. See you then.